Welcome to all my sweet little children. I hope you are healthy and happy and safe. So, what are we going to make today? I hope you made the strawberry we made earlier. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a strawberry that looks like a real strawberry, a 3D strawberry, something that will look and feel like a real strawberry. So you can use this for different purposes of different creations also. So for that also we need a piece of paper that is red in color, 15 into 15 centimeters, and 1/4 of it because to make the leaf, and then a little small piece of paper for the stem. Now let's make the strawberry and see. Now fold it in half like this. Then fold it in half again on the other side. Now take the white side out and fold it in half to make a triangle. Do the same thing on the other side as well. Now open it up and push it in like this so that you get 4 smaller pieces of squares. Now keep the opening side opposite to you and the closed side to your side. Now this edge comes to the middle line. We have done a lot of creations using these techniques, so I'm not going to tell you about each and every step. I know my children can easily follow me. If you're new to the channel, children, please go and watch the older videos so you will know about these techniques and lines and folding ways. So it will be easier for you to learn and do these creations with me. Now turn it around and bring the corner edges to the middle. Now the next part is a bit different. Now look carefully. This upper flap top part, we have to fold it in like that, and do the same thing on the other side. Now open it up and see. There are 2 little flaps here. Can you see? Put your finger in like that. If it's hard to put your finger in, you can put the tip of a scissor or a pen and push it in like this. Do the same thing on the other side. Like that. Now our scissor can be replaced by a small knife sort of a thing for origami. That is a tool, an origami tool, but you don't have to worry about it if you don't have it. You can always use the tip of a scissor or a pen as long as you're safe and cautious. Now you have a diamond shape here. So this part I want you to fold backwards so that it doesn't fold the flap at the bottom, just the flap at the top, and do the same thing on the other side of the strawberry too. Now turn it around and do the same thing as before. Fold it in like this on both the sides. Then put the tool in and open it up, push it in, press it down, right? Do the same thing to the other side. And like earlier, fold the two sides backwards. Now what we are going to do is we are going to fold down this flap, then fold down this flap and do the same thing to this flap and the same to this. So all four flaps we have pushed downwards and outwards. Now I've taken a piece of paper where the same color is on both the sides. This flap would also be red in color, right? So you can paste that onto the rest of the picture like that, okay? But since you have, since I have a white piece of paper sticking out, I'm going to open it up like this, and then what I'm going to do is bring those white pieces inside and paste them. I'll show you in a bit. See? Slowly you have to bring it down. Can you see that the strawberry is emerging? The 3D strawberry. You have to be very careful, otherwise you might tear the delicate work. Now our strawberry is almost over. Now we need to have a little leaf that comes on top of it with the stem. So I will teach you how to do all that. Now take the green colored piece of paper, and then you don't have to use an origami system for the paper itself, but for the leaf. But I'm going to show you what to do. Now fold it twice to make two triangles. Then using a pair of scissors, cut out a pattern like this and have a little piece removed here. Then for the stem, I told you it's about 2 centimeters long and 1 centimeter in width. So you can roll it for the stem and then paste it like this and roll it up. Then using a piece of double-sided tape, I'm going to paste the stem onto the leaf like this. Then another piece to that side I have put on. Now see, the two parts are separately made. Now give me 1 second to show something. See, you can open it up and take whatever is inside. it's a tasty toffee inside. So you can use this for a variety of purposes. You can make it use it as a decoration or even a surprise gift box. So now see, we can put in anything you like inside this strawberry's body and then cover with the stem and the leaf using a double-sided tape or some gum. Now, then you can draw the little seeds on the strawberry. And then you can even draw a happy face if you want to. You can draw anything you like on the strawberry. See? Like this. Isn't it very pretty and looks real, right? So you can make several of those and fill them into a basket. So it'll look very nice even for a function like a birthday party, and has a surprise inside also. I hope you enjoyed making it with me and that you will try to make this at home and see how well it turns out. So origami is quite useful. So please stay with us to do all these and more. Stay safe and goodbye.